Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rafa Ditya Putrayamani. Today, I want make a story from the world. My word is development. Then this is for exam for the practice exam English. Then the 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 word is development. Okay. Do you know Steve Jobs, guys? Steve Jobs did not start as a genius millionaire, but in fact, his development began in a small garage in California. And then when he was young, Steve was young. Yeah. Steve was curious, creative, and sometimes stubborn. Then but he believed that technology could change the world. Then in 1976, Steve Jobs and his friend Steve Wozniak built the first Apple computer in the garage. Uh, it looked simple, but it was the beginning of something big. Then this moment shows early development, starting from a small idea and slowly improving it. Then as Apple grew, Steve made both the decision for some were successful. Then but come cause problem. Evenly, he was even fired from the company he created. Uh, Many people will give up, but Steve used this failure to uh, to develop himself. He learned to become a better leader, and then a better leader, a better communicator, then a more Pentian thinker. During during this period, he started new companies like Next and Pixar. Pixar create Toy Story movie, uh, the first full length 3D animation movie. Then this was another example of development, guys, and pushing creativity and technology to a new level. Then years later, Apple invites Steve back. With his improved vision and experience, he developed products that changed the world. That there is iPad, iPhone, and uh, another else. Now, this invention were not made overnight. They were the result of continuous development, improving design, simplifying technology, and then understanding what people really need. Steve Jobs' journey so that development is a long process. It comes from curiosity, failure, learning, and the courage to try again. Yeah, maybe that's all for me, I guess. Yeah. When I have, I have any mistakes, I say sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.